Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
This video explains how to reset a Google Home display quickly and safely. A factory reset clears local settings and unlinks accounts from the device. You need either physical access to the display or the Google Home app with setup access. Back up any important preferences before you begin the reset process. The reset itself will take about 2 to 5 minutes, including power cycles and the initial setup prompt. After reset, you will need your Google account email and password to reconfigure the device. Keep your Wi-Fi password handy to reconnect during setup. If you prefer a hardware reset, use the microphone mute button on the display. Press and hold the microphone mute button for 12 to 15 seconds until you hear a confirmation tone. The display will flash or show an animation indicating the factory reset is starting. Release the button only after you hear the confirmation tone or see the screen change. Allow 2 to 5 minutes for the device to complete the factory reset and reboot. Do not unplug the device during this process to avoid corrupting the firmware. After reboot, follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect to Wi-Fi. You can also reset the display using the Google Home app on your phone. Open the Google Home app and select the target device from the device list. Tap the settings gear, choose Remove Device, and confirm to unlink your Google account. Removing the device prompts a factory reset and clears personalized settings remotely. After the device finishes resetting, open the Google Home app to re-add the display. Sign in with your Google account email and enter your Wi-Fi password to complete setup. Check voice match and privacy settings during reconfiguration for preferred security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.